Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to link Pinterest account to Instagram account. So first of all, launch Pinterest app and then go to this option that says saved at the bottom right corner. Then tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now, before connecting your Pinterest account to your Instagram account, you should have a business account on your Pinterest profile. So in order to change that, go to account management, and over here, you'll see the option to convert to a business account. As in my case, I have already converted my account to a business account. So you are seeing the option of convert to personal account. Now let's go back. Now over here, you'll see the option of claimed accounts. Now you can see claim your Instagram account. Now all you have to do is tap on claim. With that, you will be directed to this page. Let's wait for some time until this page is loading. Now after this, you will be led to Instagram's homepage. You have to simply enter in your phone number, username or email address. So I'm going to enter my username and then simply enter in your password. Then if you tap on the option of login, you will successfully be able to link your Pinterest account to Instagram account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.